Well, welcome back to my channel, Ashton Drake Love, as you know by the title. If you guys were with me a while back ago, not counting Cassandra because she was a Christmas gift, and not counting Kent because my brother got me that one, and the ones that Courtney was nice and sent, not counting those babies. If you guys remember, not my nephew Aiden, no. Aiden from the Ashton Drake team. Okay, I got that baby and sent him back. Again, he had an adorable little face, but no, he just wasn't like a lifelike baby. So I ended up sending him back, and I said there will be a new one coming in. I just, you know, I asked questions from the Ashton Drake team, and I finally got one. So excited! Look, so it's gonna open this up and see what baby it is. Yeah, I would have kept Aiden, but no, he wasn't a like what they said. See. Ready? There we go. Okay, well, I got it out of the brown box. Yeah, I wanted to keep it a surprise. Courtney is the only one that knew about this pack, you know, this new baby coming. And I should have told her, keep it a shh, but I didn't. I never did say to her, shh.
It's not my dog!
Yeah, I never did. But let's open her up.
Hi, everyone!
Yeah, she's watching. See what baby it is.
Tammy wasn't expecting that, were you, Tammy?
Oh no, I just do my normal, but let's get it.
Keep it together now, keep it together. I'm getting a new tool too.
Yeah, you want to go? Yeah, go check out her channel. I will link her down below, Courtney, and go check out her channel. Oh, so cute! It's
Hi,
Singing in the Rain. Aww.
Okay, I'm so thing with Tammy. We're doing a live video, so.
A hat. She comes with the hat. Oh! I thought you say with the new baby. Oh!
You guys told me after Tammy.
Yeah. Whoops. Let's get her out. Let's get her out. Boo boo.
She's so cute.
She's so adorable. Her picture. She's so adorable. If I could only get her out. Okay, start with her feet. They tie these babies up so good.
They sure do, because I know with my Monster High dolls, they tie them up pretty good too.
Yeah. Oh, look at her feet! I tell you, Singing in the Rain, because you know how I love this baby because I prefer the winter than the summer. And it's so cute. She sings.
You're so cute, Tammy. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
I have to let you guys go, but I'll talk to you Okay, Tammy?
Okay, I'll talk to you later.
Bye!
Bye. Okay, let's continue getting, you know, the baby out. Oh, yeah, this was again, if you guys don't remember, Aiden. Yeah, I did promise you guys, so comment down below if if you're still with me, if you remember the baby Aiden. He just didn't feel like yeah, a lifelike baby. He was so light. I'm guessing he weighed 2-3 pounds the most. He was so light. And I did say, if you go back and watch those videos, yeah, one will be coming. Oh, the face. Oh, so cute. Come to mommy. Oh. Look how cute. Oh, so adorable. And she feels she does take batteries. She does like her brother and her sister. She sings like in the rain, hence the name of Oh, but let's take off her net on her head. Oh. Yeah, see, press here, but I didn't get batteries. Oh, you want to put on your hat? You want to see what you look like in your hat? So surprise! Yeah, I thought I always keep like a box, if a new baby's coming in, I always keep, and when I know there's a new baby on the way, I always keep the secret. Hope you guys enjoyed the secret and surprise. Oh. Yeah, this is, I did say, if you guys do remember the baby Aiden, again, not my nephew Aiden, he felt too light, and again, 2-3 pounds. He did have a adorable little face, he did, but he just, no. Yeah, she needs to tie this, but let's see. Well, welcome to the channel. Look at the little face. So cute. But with the summertime though, let me see her feet though. Yeah, all I see is, with the boots on. Let's take off the boots and see what her feet look like. Oh, how cute. Oh, this is an adorable little outfit she came in. Yeah, I guess, you know, because with it hot, because I do just mess the weather, there won't be a, you know, a first, you know, changing. I don't have a name yet. Still thinking. Now that she's here and I can see her, I did, you know, picture wise, but now oh, you're just so adorable. Welcome to the channel. Yeah. So cute. Well, if you're excited, give a thumbs up. Yeah, you're gonna see lots more of this little cutie. Yeah, I told you, yeah, when I was, you know, Aiden was going back. Another one was going to, you know, come into the, you know, but I didn't know when. I was asking questions. I kind of took a break for a while, but no, I seen this little cute. And I was like, oh, my favorite season is winter. So singing in the rain is perfect. I need to get batteries in her. Wait until she has batteries. Yeah, it shows right here on her clothes. It says purse here. Yeah, they always put a thing there so you know where to purse after they have batteries in. Oh, well, I hope you join this special box opening and everything, and welcome, you know, the new little baby to my collection. Oh, so cute. Yeah, Courtney, is the only one that I told. And again, I should have told her, you know, shh, be quiet. Just in case, you know, she said something by accident, but she didn't. So I got lucky there. Yeah, I always keep, you know, if I get a new baby, you know, shh. But no, I did tell her, you know, friends, so I did tell her. Yeah. But I will link her channel down below so you could, you know, go check out her channel. And she's actually starting to get up there. So congratulations, Courtney. Yeah, she's really starting to get up there with subscribers and stuff. So no, good. She does, you know, good for, you know, for someone who hasn't done, you know, YouTube in a while. You know, so. But I will link her channel down below. So yeah, she wanted to watch the box opening live. I hope you know, enjoyed the, you know, the special box opening. But yeah, you know, like this video, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video when it's uploaded. If you want, share any of the videos, I don't mind. But yeah, I guess unless you guys go from here, give this video a thumbs up. Hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye.